Well, I'm trying to actually insert, or this could be for replacing the 2D batteries that turn the stone. I had an issue that the power supply that I have plugged in no longer gave a green light, so it wasn't working anymore. Don't know if it was because it was out in the rain, but wouldn't think that would do it, but it probably did. So I want to make pizza tonight, and I bought some D batteries to install it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to prop this up with a brick and try to work underneath it without having to flip the whole thing over. So I propped it up with this brick. It's a little high, but if you can see underneath, I should be able to just grab that tab and insert the batteries. So this clip looks like it's pretty easy to do. And there are the batteries. I already installed them, so they were empty, so I just put them up in there very easily. And then I'll put this back up. And since I only have one hand, I'll take this off and then hopefully show it is down now, and hopefully this will, yay, the motor isn't bad. So happy pizza making.